Okay, so you're doing this. Sure, you have the score control selected. Track the field, or it's not going to update the field or score controller. Without that score controller, this is the score controller. This is the score controller. Make sure make sure you put that inside your field. Field contains the scores right here. Um, Score player 1 and score player 2. So that's where the field contains right here. You just drag score player 1 into this one, score player 2 into this one. And then that's gonna take in this text right here, the UI, unityengine.ui. Make sure you use unityengine.ui. This is player 1 right here. Now it's gonna update the string. Go player 1 is the method that gets caught when they get a score. But how do you know when you get a go? Well, we got the collision controller over here. What this does is that this is a collision controller, so collision controller controls collision and keeps track of the collision. So we have here some code that captures the collision for the wall left. If the game object equals wall left, then that wall over there, that means player 2 won, or player 2 got a score. So go player 2. We call this method, which is going to increase go player 2 scores. And if it hits the wall on the right, then go player 1 gets a score. Is this one here. So before we can do this, we have to connect it to the ball. This is the ball right here. So this is the rigid body 2D. Right here, this is a ball. So what it does is that it keeps track of the collision and also keeps track of the ball movement. There's two separate scripts in here. Ball movement script and collision. So the collision controller right here, the ball movement right there, we simply drag ball into here to connect it. Score controller is the field. You drag this field in here, boom. Now let's have a quick demo of what happened. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Boom. Whoop, whoop. Oh, that ball just disappeared at the. Okay, what happens when the ball disappeared? Can we reset this? Can we reset this? All right, let me try and reset this. Okay, so that. All right, there it is. But somehow it got bigger. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, 5, 6. So we check the console. It should say that the game has been won, but and the score should reset after the game has been won, but we have not implemented that function yet, so it's gonna keep going. Holy crap, look at this. Okay, now it's gone. Okay. So player 1 won. But yeah, that's how you do it. Oh, so recap, what the hell did we just do? I don't know, but let me explain again. Okay. We created a script for the feud called score controller. This is the script called score controller. What we did was we dragged that in here into the component. Boom. And then for score text player 1, we drag that in here. We drag player 2 right here. Player 2 is right here. This is the text for player 2 right here. There's right there. You can move it around. It's right there. And so yeah, that's what we did. A wall view. Well, I already have this, so I'm gonna remove it. Then we got the ball right here. The ball contains a collision controller script. And what that does is it keeps track of the wall left and wall right collisions. And it gives the score. If it hits the wall on the left, player 2 gets a score. If it hits the wall on the right, player 1 gets a score. That's how it works. Yep. If you still don't understand what's going on, don't worry. I have no idea what's going on too. I'll explain again in another video.